Hey, what's up guys? I am going to show you guys how to do weeding on vinyl. Okay, so we're starting with this is about a 9x6 piece, so pretty small. The smaller it gets, the more difficult it gets, but this is like a medium-sized piece, so it's not too bad to weed. I'll give you a quick look on what it looks like in our program. This is sure cuts a lot. Okay, and then what I do is I hook it up to my machine and cut it. This is what it looks like when it comes off of the machine. If you get close, you might see the lines. And then I already weeded one, and this is what it looks like after weeding. Okay, so I'm just going to show you real quick the process of the weeding. So I always use tweezers. If you want to use just the tweezers, you can. There's a couple of different ways to do it. One is just to kind of go in and pick at it, okay? And I usually just stick the little pieces of the vinyl right to the side like that. So you'll see here, if you come close, you'll see this is Bulldog on board on the bottom. You see like all these little circles that are inside of the letters. I always like to do those first, and then I do the big stuff after. Another way to do it, you could use, I always have an X-Acto sitting around. You can kind of pick it and pass it. They also make picks. They're almost like a dental pick. It's a pretty simple design, so I'll do a more complicated design later on and show you guys the process. Pretty similar, but so I got all the insides out. And then I go around and do the big stuff. So on bigger pieces, what I would normally do is just I score the vinyl. Okay, make sure you don't cut the backing of the paper, so you press enough pressure to cut the vinyl but not the backing. I just kind of go piece by piece. Sometimes if you didn't cut deep enough, you just want to hold the vinyl down in place. So if you're just starting out, you obviously need a cutting board like this. There's a lot of different types out there. I'll leave a link in the comments section for you guys if you're looking for one to buy that you think is pretty good. I'll leave a link in the comments section. Okay, and then obviously this is small enough where I could just do the entire thing in one shot if I wanted to also. So I just hold the corner and just peel this up. I go nice and slow, and I always go at an angle. And that's it, guys. So like I said, this is called weeding, just like you would weed a garden. Okay, and that's kind of step one to making our vinyl decals. Next would be transfer tape, and I'll do another video for that. And I'll leave it on the page for you guys. Thanks.